Not the 19s. Go back a little bit further. 1800s, you're correct. I am dressed as a woman from the Civil War would be dressed. Now, specifically today, I'm going to be talking about what the role of a farmer's wife during the Civil War was like.
Down on the left side of the head, what he does is he goes out and he ropes the cow around the head, and then you see that horn, it's wrapped it up, and he wraps it around the horn, and he grabs hold of the rope, and then he pulls the cow across the arena.
Them off of that onto Rooster Booster or other feeds with higher protein and higher calcium, so that helps the hens be able to make the eggs. And this is layer pellets for if your normal feed doesn't have enough calcium where she can produce the egg.
So we are going into the straight.
Stop treating our son like dirt.
Soil like dirt, okay? And my boss doesn't want me to ever say dirt.